What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Life Made Easy. I'm going to show you how you can share your playlist on YouTube on your mobile device. Let's get into it.
Yeah, I'm like, oh God, oh my God.
Okay, so guys, for this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to share a playlist, and you mainly want to do this if you want to share it with a friend, or you want to embed it in your description. If you just want to copy and paste it into that, you can do that as well. This is a very quick tutorial. It's very easy. I'll show you. It's only like 3 steps. So first step, and it should work for all devices. I have an Android phone here, so on iOS it should work the same. If you're on Windows, whatever. Also, if you're on desktop, this works. Okay, so first thing, hit your little profile icon in the top right corner. It's going to bring down this menu. Next, you're going to go to My Channel, right here, Life Made Easy channel. Yep, let that loads up. This is your channel, got all your stuff at the top. Oh, don't refresh. At the top, you'll have all these things here. Go to Playlists. And from here, it's going to show you your playlist. I got my liked videos, have tutorials and product reviews. Liked videos, and then it's a private playlist I have. Disregard that. And then I have my other 2 for this channel, the main videos I make. And so, in order to share your playlist with anyone, you just want to click the little 3-button or 3-dot bar, vertical bar on the side here. Just click that. It'll bring an option here, and you can click share, edit, and delete. You just want to click share, and from here you can basically DM people or tweet, Snapchat, Instagram message, email, anything, save it to your drive, anything like that. And you can do the same with this one. So it's a very useful tip if you want to share your playlists on maybe Twitter, Instagram, or with a friend, try to gain more influence with your videos. It's a great tip. You can also do this with videos as well. So yeah, that's about it. Very easy tutorial. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe if you're new. Turn on the little bell notification next to the subscribe button so you guys know exactly when I upload. And go check out my previous video. I'll probably put a card at the top right. What was it? Oh yeah, how to make your Android phone faster with one easy tip. Go check out that. Go check out my SoundPeats Q36 video. That was a product review I did a couple days ago. That was a cool video. You guys will like that one. So yeah, do all that good stuff. Leave a like on this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Torno for the watch, Prezi plain Jane, Yamagini chain, rest in peace to my superior. Hermes Linka feed a village in Liberia. TMZ taking pictures causing my hysteria.